just received a new toy from Dynalog. This is the Casper DR-DF100B model drone. This is a actually pretty small drone. Look how small that thing is. You could just put that in your pocket and go fly some drones. It does come with a pretty large remote where the controller is about larger than this drone itself. Has a place for your phone, has an automatic takeoff button, high-speed rotation button, a headless mode, a circle fly, like a return to home type dealio. Turn the lights off and on. Of course, it has a power button. You can do 3D flips, you can change the speeds, you can take photo and video. It comes with 2 batteries. These batteries, I've gotten up to about 10 minutes max flight time on these things. You have 2 chargers also, and these charge relatively fast. You get these little guards that go on here. The camera on it is a 1080p camera. This is really cool for vlogging, and I'll show you a really unique feature about this. Let's just start by flying this around in here. This battery in here, turn it on. There's your little blinking light waiting for me. I'll turn it on, and then we'll just take off. So, as you see, all right, let's see, I've got this drone flying right here. You see the camera? So that's pretty cool right there. You see the camera, the blade spinning. Definitely has 3 speeds. So you can see it going back and forth right there in a pretty fast. Obviously I can't show you too fast. I'm in my garage here. Woo. All right, let me land this thing. There's your first flight demonstration of the Dynalog DR-DF100B. I'm going to show you the high-speed rotation. Let's just do the takeoff button. All right, so that took the drone off. Now let's see if we can get this rotation going. Trying to settle on me right here. Oh, yeah. Let me land this guy. You've got trim buttons here, so if it starts drifting on you one way, you just hit the opposite way a few times. Also, you can turn the lights off and on with this button. This also comes with some extra propellers. Let's see if I can show you the circle fly. All right, so it's circling, and it's doing it automatically by itself. Let's set it down. Woo, that makes me nervous. I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi. Gonna go in here and find the Dynalog DR-DF100 right there. And I'm gonna go over to the app, connect to the Dynalog Casper. I can choose what I want there. Hit start. It's gonna give me some information here. It's gonna tell you all these different things that you can do. You can say, I know. So right now the camera view is from the Dynalog. It's got me on camera right here, and that is the Dynalog camera. The second view is from my phone, and I can record the actual Dynalog as it's flying from my phone. And the third view is going to be selfie mode, so I can show myself like, oh my gosh, what's going to happen here? So I'm going to show you all 3 angles while this thing is flying. So this is the first view. As I start up the drone, you can see that I'm in the drone app right now. So there's the drone right there flying around my garage. A messy-ish garage. All right. This is the angle from the drone, so I could film more vlog style. See? I think you're starting to get the gist of this thing. This thing can record from the app multiple different angles. That was a lot of fun to fly. I absolutely love this drone, and it could be a great gift for, somebody. So again, this is the DR-DF100B. This was sent to me by the brand, and it is a paid sponsored video.